My name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Today I want to show you how to cook some of these amazing ingredients that we sell on the website. Okay, so today I've got some wonderful sashimi products here. The most important thing with all these is they're super fresh. You're eating them raw. Here I've got some fresh wasabi. Very strong, very hard to get here in the UK, but if you're eating good sashimi, you want the best quality products. Here's yellowfin tuna. This is Hiramasa, also known as kingfish. It's a nice fatty fish. Some sashimi salmon, delicious, and sashimi scallops again. These are jumbo wild scallops. And just to accompany it here, we've got some 2-year soy sauce and some pickled sushi ginger. So I'm going to show you how to prepare these now, and we'll lay them out and get your dinner table looking amazing. Right, so really important for slicing, obviously a very sharp knife is crucial. There's no training needed, you know, yes there are sashimi geniuses, chefs, all that. You don't need to be a genius. Just take your time, cut finely, find a nice, just going to take that end bit off there. In one movement is always the best way. Thin and fine. Generally 3 bits of each flavour of each fish is a nice touch. Great, so we're going to, all our lovely beautifully cut sashimi here, we're going to plate it on a nice serving platter so we can share it with our guests. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, just, you know, use your initiative, make it look nice. You've got to always think about leaving some room in the centre for your sushi ginger and your wasabi. So this is wasabi root, very special, very expensive, very hard to get. This is as good as you can get, very hot. So what we do here is we use a special grater, it's got little teeth on it. Do it in a sort of clockwise circle and it starts coming off into paste. And then you're just going to lay that again with your sashimi on the plate. And then you've got your soy sauce there. And again, you know, food is colour, prettiness. Doesn't need too much, but just the odd. These are micro herbs. This is amaranth. Just brings the plate alive a bit. And there you have it. Very simple, clean food at its best. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook these recipes today. All the products and recipes are available on finefoodspecialist.co.uk. Go and have a look at the website. There's plenty more there to see too.